Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with the assembling of Kyosho Javelin. This is what I have made till now, and today we do step 24 and so on. This is a very complicated model, and the instructions arrive up to step this is an explanation. Also this one, I would say that yes, the assembling stops here, step 40 lot. So we assemble these shock absorbers, and they are quite different from the other because I'll show you. You don't open them on the top, but here on the bottom, and it would be a little problem. I have to manage in order to get air out, because when you put the piston inside, perhaps you have to put the piston inside, leave it for a few minutes to let the air bubble get out, then refill with oil and close. This is closing. These shock absorbers are, at the beginning I told you, yes, I know them, they are the same in Ultima. No, just the color is the same. They are totally different. To do the work of today, we need to open bag F, and in bag F we have also this. Nice. And this? First time I see something like this. Oil and so on. So, comment, like and subscribe, and start working. First work in today's video is this, step 24, and in this step we have to open this part of the shock absorber and to mount the tools we need. Then put this gasket. Okay, let's do. Okay, and now with this, we open this. Then we gasket. It's a little bit complicated, this part. This is the gasket. It's quite difficult to put in place because it's made in the way that it stays into this slot. So you have to force and take it down a little bit from here, then here and here, so and so, step by step, until he goes down into his slot. His or her, the gasket, I don't know. Okay, this is one, I do the other three. Done. Step 25. This is all what you need. I mount one, then the other. These four are made, And now we have to fill with oil. And we leave it here in order to let all the bubbles of air came up. Then we close like this in step 26. No bubbles of air inside the oil, we can close it. We put this into this and then we close. Okay, and we use also this. Okay, and they say also to use this. So one, close. Fantastic. And this was a long one, rear, and now we mount a short one. Oil everywhere. Remember, there's a thing to do. When you put this into this, push down the piston. Fantastic. Step 27. First we do this. Here there's left and right. Don't screw this too much. Then put the spring, then the bottom. Here it is. Perfect. Done. Next step, 28. We mount it on the frame. First this one, 1, 2, then this screw is important to place by this side, because when you use the car, this hole will fill it up with dirt. Perfect. This is important. If you screw too much the bolt, this becomes larger and this stops, but this has to do this movement for a correct working. And by now I leave the spring all released. Step 29. We mount this. This or this? I prefer this. It's more old style and protect the wheels. This is what you need. 4 screws and this is the right position. And also this